Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck driving through rugged terrains, city streets, and futuristic backdrops. Close-up shots of the sharp angles, LED lights, and stainless steel body set the tone. Break down the most exciting rides in the automotive world. And today, it doesn't get more futuristic than these are the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement. A bold, unapologetic leap into the future of design, performance, and sustainability. Cut to a seamless transition of the truck in a studio setting, highlighting its exterior. The first thing you'll notice is that radical, stainless steel exoskeleton. Love it or hate it, this ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled steel is built for durability and protection. It's like driving a tank that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. And let's not forget the armored glass windows, are Tesla's answer to rugged dependability. Switch to interior shots with ambient step inside, and you're greeted by minimalism perfected. The Cybertruck's cabin feels more like a spaceship than a traditional truck. The marble-like dashboard, a massive 17-inch touchscreen, and Tesla's latest software bring everything you need to your fingertips. Add in 6 spacious seats and tons of storage, and you've got a ride that's as practical as it is innovative. Cut to a shot of the Cybertruck accelerating on a highway. But what really makes the Cybertruck a game changer is what's under the hood, or rather, under the body. With 3 motor options available, the top-tier tri-motor model goes from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. Oh, and let's talk range, up to 500 miles on a single charge. Yes, 500 miles. That's Tesla pushing the boundaries once again. Quick clips of the Cybertruck towing, and if you're into serious work or play, this beast has a towing capacity of 0 pounds and an adaptive air suspension that adjusts on the fly. Whether you're hauling, off-roading, or just turning heads in the city, the Cybertruck delivers. Scene fades to shots of the Cybertruck parked with solar panels deployed. Tesla didn't stop there. Optional solar panels can extend your range by up to 15 miles a day. Imagine going off-grid and still charging your ride. It's not just a truck, it's a lifestyle. Closing scene, Cybertruck driving into a sunset with a sleek drone shot. So, is the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck the future of trucks? With its bold design, unmatched performance, and cutting-edge tech, it's definitely rewriting the rules. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know, would you drive this foo? Outro music plays, screen transitions to the channel logo and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.